Starting a food business from home can feel overwhelming at first. Many people assume they need a large kitchen, expensive staff, or years of experience. But in reality, a lot of profitable food businesses begin with just one smart machine and a focused product. Across home kitchens, garages, and small workshops, people are using compact food machines to turn simple ingredients into products customers already love and regularly buy. In this video, we'll explore top 7 food machines that can help you start small, control costs, and build steady demand right from your own space. Let's start with one of the most powerful products in terms of repeat customers.
This video is for educational and informational purposes only. It does not provide professional or financial advice.
Chocolate tempering machine. Chocolate looks simple, but making it look expensive is where most people fail. When chocolate melts, its cocoa butter crystals break down. If they don't reform in the right structure, the result is dull, soft, or streaky chocolate. That's why hand tempering is so frustrating and inconsistent. A chocolate tempering machine removes this guesswork. It heats the chocolate to melt unstable crystals, cools it to form stable ones, then gently reheats it to the exact working temperature. The machine keeps chocolate in this perfect zone for hours, allowing continuous molding, dipping, or coating. Entry-level tabletop machines with a 3 to 4 kg capacity typically cost $1,000 to $1,200. While the upfront cost is higher, the output looks professional every time. People buy artisan chocolate mainly with their eyes. A glossy finish, sharp snap, and smooth texture signal quality and luxury. This visual perfection makes chocolate ideal for gifting, where presentation matters as much as taste. Because of this, handmade bars and truffles often achieve 60% or higher profit margins, especially when paired with premium packaging. The machine succeeds because it turns a difficult skill into a repeatable process, and consistency is what builds trust and brand value. Coffee roaster. Few things attract attention like the smell of freshly roasted coffee. A coffee roaster allows you to turn raw green coffee beans into your own branded blends. These machines roast beans evenly in a rotating drum, developing aroma and flavor that packaged supermarket coffee can't match. For a home-based business, a mid-sized roaster that handles 2 to 5 kilos per batch is often ideal. These machines typically cost between $1,500 and $5,000, depending on brand and automation. The profit margins can be strong. Green coffee beans are relatively affordable, and roasted specialty coffee often sells at 50 to 70% margins, especially when sold directly to customers at markets or online. People buy roasted coffee repeatedly because it's part of their daily routine. Once customers like your roast, they tend to come back again and again. The main challenge is consistency. Different beans roast differently, so learning to repeat the same flavor profile takes practice. But with time, coffee can turn a simple habit into a reliable income stream. After coffee, let's move to a machine that thrives on personalization. Edible ink printer. An edible ink printer allows you to print photos, logos, and designs directly onto cakes, cookies, and cupcakes. It works like a standard printer, but uses food-safe ink and edible frosting sheets. These printers usually cost $300 to $800, making them accessible for small baking businesses. While edible ink and sheets add ongoing costs, personalized desserts often sell at 2 to 3 times the price of standard baked goods. Customers buy these products because they're personal. Birthdays, weddings, company events, and celebrations all create demand for custom designs. People are willing to pay extra for something that feels made specifically for them. This machine works best for flat surfaces like cookies and sheet cakes, but within that space, it can significantly increase your average order value. Peanut butter maker. At its core, a peanut butter maker is a powerful grinder. Roasted nuts pass between rotating plates or stones, where pressure and friction break them down. As the nuts grind, natural oils are released, forming a smooth or chunky paste, without needing stabilizers or preservatives. Small electric grinders usually cost $160 to $200, while commercial models range from $500 to $1,200, depending on capacity and motor strength. People buy fresh nut butter because it feels honest. No chemicals, no long ingredient lists, just nuts. The taste is richer and the texture can be customized. Watching peanuts turn into butter in front of them builds instant trust and curiosity. This machine succeeds because freshness is visible. Customers aren't just buying food, they're buying transparency. With controlled sourcing and direct sales, profit margins commonly fall between 40% and 60%. Next, let's talk about a machine that sells through sight, smell, and speed. Mini donut maker. Few foods attract attention like fresh mini donuts being made in front of customers. Automatic mini donut machines handle batter dispensing, cooking, and flipping with minimal effort, producing dozens of donuts every few minutes. Small commercial machines usually cost between $800 and $2,500, depending on capacity and features. The ingredients are inexpensive, and mini donuts often sell with 60 to 80% profit margins, especially at markets and events. People buy mini donuts because they're fresh, warm, and fun. The production process itself becomes part of the experience, drawing crowds and creating impulse purchases. With different flavors and toppings, you can keep customers coming back. Now let's move into the savory side of food businesses. Food dehydrator. A food dehydrator works by circulating warm air across trays, slowly removing moisture while keeping flavor and nutrients intact. By eliminating water, bacteria growth is reduced, dramatically extending shelf life. Entry-level dehydrators cost $60 to $150, while larger stainless steel units range from $300 to $550. Customers buy dehydrated foods because they last longer, weigh less, and require no refrigeration. Dried fruits, herbs, and jerky also appeal to health-focused buyers who want snacks without preservatives. This machine succeeds because it reduces waste and increases value. Imperfect produce can be transformed into sellable products, often generating 50% to 70% profit margins due to long shelf life and low spoilage. Bean milk machine. Bean milk machines soak, grind, heat, and filter beans or nuts in one process. The machine separates pulp from liquid automatically, producing fresh plant-based milk within minutes. Home-friendly machines usually cost $100 to $300. People buy fresh plant-based milk because it's customizable, preservative-free, and healthier. It also aligns with dietary needs like lactose intolerance and vegan lifestyles. This machine succeeds because demand is rising and production is simple. Freshness and customization allow sellers to charge premium prices, with margins often around 50% or more. When you look closely, the real opportunity isn't about chasing trends or building huge factories. It's about understanding why people buy what they buy. Every machine we discussed today works because it fits into daily habits, food people already eat, flavors they already trust, and experiences they already enjoy. These machines don't rely on hype. They rely on consistency, freshness, and simplicity. One machine, one focused product, and a clear audience can quietly outperform businesses that look much bigger from the outside. If this video changed how you see small machines and everyday products, take a moment to imagine what could work in your own space. Sometimes the most profitable ideas aren't loud, they're just well thought out. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more real business insights, and share it with someone who's thinking about starting small but earning smart. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.